Namaskar, esteemed guests, respected dignitaries, and the entire Suntech Infra Solutions family. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this historic occasion, the official listing of Suntech Infra Solutions on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited. And I'm honored to be your host for today's prestigious celebration. So why don't we join our hands together and let's get the day started. Come on. To begin the day with the spirit of unity and national pride, may I request everyone to please rise and shine for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much, everyone. Please be seated. Incorporated in April 2009, Suntech Infra Solutions Limited has emerged as a trusted name in the B2B civil construction industry, offering services including foundation and structural works through direct contracting, subcontracting, and equipmental rental. Over the years, the company has executed complex projects across sectors as power, oil and gas, steel, cement, renewable energy, refineries, petrochemicals, fertilizers, and irrigation systems. Let us now welcome the visionaries behind the successful journey. So please help me invite the leadership team of Suntech Infra Solutions Limited. So please help me invite Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Promoter, Chairman and Managing Director, Suntech Infra Solutions Limited. Yes, sir. Now let us invite Mr. Parveen Kumar Gupta, Whole-Time Director, Suntech Infra Solutions Limited. Now we are honored to welcome our distinguished guest, Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange of India Limited. And I request Mr. Gaurav Gupta to present a bouquet as a token of gratitude to Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari. Now I'm honored to invite Mr. Abhishek Sharma and Mr. Mohit Baid, Directors, GYR Capital Advisors Private Limited, Lead Manager to the issue. And I request Mr. Parveen Kumar Gupta to present a bouquet to Mr. Abhishek Sharma and Mr. Mohit Baid. Thank you so much. And thank you all for joining us today. To mark the auspicious beginning of this new chapter, we now proceed to the ceremonial lamp lighting, a traditional Indian practice that symbolizes light, wisdom, and progress. So may I now invite the following dignitaries for the ceremonial lamp lighting. Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Promoter, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Parveen Kumar Gupta, Promoter and Whole-Time Director, and I also request our distinguished guest, Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange of India Limited, Mr. Abhishek Sharma and Mr. Mohit Baid, Directors, GYR Capital Advisors Private Limited, Lead Manager to the issue, to join the lamp lighting. I'm also inviting the family and well-wishers to grace this stage. Srimati Snehlata Gupta, Srimati Shikha Gupta, Shri Naresh Agarwal, Srimati Manju Agarwal, Ms. Manya, Mr. Athar Gupta, Mr. Deepak Gupta, and Ms. Shweta Gupta. And the Tattvam family, please join us here for the lamp lighting.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Thank you so much, everyone. May this light guide the Suntec Infra Solutions Limited towards the sustainable innovation, national growth, and global recognition. As a quick reflection, Suntec Infra has not only built robust infrastructure, but also a legacy of trust, integrity, and technical prowess. With a project portfolio valued over 31,710.56 lakhs and operations expanding across major states, the company stands at the threshold of its next big leap, powered by people, process, and purpose. Let's have a look at the company's presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to a deeply meaningful segment of today's celebration, an opportunity to hear from the people who have been instrumental in shaping the Suntec Infra Solutions Limited story. This is a moment to reflect, to express, and to share the vision that brought us to this milestone, and the one that will carry us forward. To begin with, it is my honor to invite someone whose wisdom, guidance, and belief in the long-term value creation have anchored the company through its many chapters of evolution. Please welcome Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Promoter, Chairman, and Managing Director.
Good morning, everyone. Jai Siya Ram. Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, our associates, my mentors, my family, my friends, and my dear team at Suntec. It is truly a proud and emotional moment for all of us at Suntec. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you today on the historic occasion, the listing of Suntech Infra Solutions Limited on the National Stock Exchange. This moment marks not just a milestone in our company's journey, but a celebration of our values we have built this business upon: honesty, commitment, and trust. Let me take a moment to reflect on our journey from modest beginning in 2009 with a single machine and a big dream. Today, with the blessings of God and my ancestors, we have grown into pan-India leader in foundation engineering, superstructure construction, and construction equipment rental. We specialize in time-bound civil works in challenging terrains and tight timelines, where quality, safety, and speed go hand in hand. We, an asset-heavy model, our in-house fleet of construction equipments, qualified, experienced team, and trained operators gave us complete control over productivity, timelines, and safety. Over the years, we have had the privilege of contributing to some of India's most vital infrastructure, including refineries, power plants, metros, process plants, industrial, commercial, real estate projects, and many others. What sets us apart is simple: we deliver. Not just structures, but trust time and again. Our IPO received an overwhelming response, subscribed 223 times, with a total subscription of around 6,600 crores. This is a powerful reflection of our investors' confidence in our business model, governance, and long-term potential. To every investor who placed their trust in us, thank you for believing in our vision. I want to thank our team of over 600 people, senior management, project managers, engineers, supervisors, operators, and many more. The real heroes of this company who wakes up every day to make the impossible possible. A special word of appreciation to Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari ji from National Stock Exchange. Thank you for creating an ecosystem that enables high potential companies like ours to dream big and grow bigger. I would also like to express our gratitude to our merchant banker, GYR Capital, for their guidance and support. Our sincere thanks to AQ Projects, our investor relations and PR partner. Thank you for crafting our story with clarity and impact and helping us reach the right audience with precision and purpose. We are also deeply thankful to all our supporting partners who stood by us, our auditors, registrars, legal advisors, consultants, and associates, and every individual who contributed meaningfully to this achievement. On a personal note, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to my parents for their values and blessings, to my wife and children for being my motivation and joy, to my entire family, my extended family, and my close friends who are here today. Thank you for standing by me through every highs and lows. This moment is as much yours as it is mine. This IPO is not just about raising capital, it's about raising the bar. As we step into the next chapter, we plan to expand across new geographies, scale our fleet and execution capabilities, and create sustainable value for our shareholders with transparency, discipline, and focus. As we ring the bell today, we don't just mark entry in the capital markets, we reaffirm our commitment of becoming one of India's most dependable partner in infrastructure and construction equipment rental. On behalf of Suntech Infra Solutions Limited, I thank each and every one of you for being a part of this extraordinary milestone. The foundation has been laid, the future is being built, stronger, faster, together. We are just getting started, and with your blessings and support, the best is yet to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gupta, for those powerful and inspiring words that totally remind us of Suntech's proud legacy and promising future. Next, we are privileged to welcome our distinguished guest from the institution that has enabled us to reach this landmark. Her presence today is a testament to the exchange's commitment to nurturing high-potential companies through the Emerge platform. Please welcome Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, National Stock Exchange of India Limited, to address this gathering. Let's make a round of applause.
Shri Praveen Kumar ji, whole-time director, Shri Gaurav Gupta ji, chairman and managing director, Abhishek Sharma ji, Mohit Baid ji, GYR Capital Advisors, and all the board members, family members, staff, well-wishers present here. A very good morning and warm welcome to all of you on the listing ceremony of Suntech Infra Solutions. Suntech Infra Solution Limited is a B2B construction company and engaged into the business of civil construction services such as civil foundation works and others. NSE is proud to welcome Suntech Infra Solutions Limited to our family of listed corporates, and this will be the 636th company to list on the NSE Emerge platform. Total fund raised by all the listed companies on Emerge platform till date is around 18,166 crore. And from today onwards, Suntech Infra Solutions Limited will be an integral part of it. Some info about the capital market. India is the fourth largest capital market in the world. We are behind after US, China and Japan. India's market capitalization has grown about 120 times in rupee terms since NSE started its operation in 1994. It stands at around 459 lakh crore, that is USD 5.36 trillion dollar. The IPO of Suntech Infra Solution Limited with an issue size of 44 crores garnered a good response. I congratulate the entire team of Suntech Infra Solutions and the merchant banker of GYR Capital Advisors and other parties associated in the IPO for their accomplishment. Today's successful listing is a testimony of their efforts. Today, NSE has over 11 unique registered investors. It covers having around 22 crore accounts, which covers 99% of all the PIN codes in the country. It covers around 20% of households in India who are directly investing in stock market today. It's a testament to the India's entrepreneurial growth and trust of its people on the entrepreneurs. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital market more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of Suntech Infra Solution Limited will inspire many more companies to look capital market as a promising alternative. We once again welcome Suntech Infra Solutions Limited to NSE, and we hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us. And we look forward to supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, for your inspiring words. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been waiting for has finally arrived. We will now proceed to the official bell-ringing ceremony marking the formal debut of Suntech Infra Solutions Limited on the NSE Emerge platform. May I now invite the following dignitaries on the stage. Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Promoter, Chairman and Managing Director. Let's make a round of applause. Mr. Praveen Kumar Gupta, Director. Srimati Snehlata Gupta. Srimati Shikha Gupta. Shri Naresh Agarwal. Srimati Manju Agarwal. Ms. Manya. Mr. Atharv Gupta. Mr. Deepak Gupta and Ms. Shweta Gupta. And I welcome our esteemed guest, Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, NSE, Mr. Abhishek Sharma and Mr. Mohit Baid, Directors, TYR Capital Advisors Private Limited, Lead Manager to the issue. And I also invite Ms. Vanshika Gupta. As the clock strikes 10 a.m., let us all count down together. And I also request Tatvam family to please join us. And let's count down together, ladies and gentlemen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the moment is here, ladies and gentlemen. With that ring of the ceremonial bell, Suntec Infra Solutions Limited is officially listed on the Emerge platform of National Stock Exchange of India Limited. A new era begins. Congratulations to the entire Suntec Infra Solutions family. I now request Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, NSE, to present a memento, listing certificate and a coffee table book to Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Promoter, Chairman and Managing Director. Now I request Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, NSE, to present a memento, listing certificate and a coffee table book to Mr. Gaurav Gupta, Promoter, Chairman and Managing Director. Now, I request Ms. Nidhi Maheshwari, Senior Manager, NSE, to present a memento to Mr. Abhishek Sharma and Mr. Mohit Baid, Now let us invite Mr. Manish Goyal, Procurement Officer. Let's give it up for Mr. Goyal. Let's make a round of applause. Now please help me invite with a round of applause Mr. Akash Kashyap, Accounts Officer. Now please help me invite Mr. Shubhang Saxena, Accounts Officer. Now I would like to invite Ms. Jyoti Agarwal, Head of Process Department. All right, let me invite our statutory auditor, Mr. Ravi Sachdeva. Let's make a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Partners and institutions whose efforts have paved the way for today's success. Your guidance, trust and partnership have strengthened Suntec Infra Solutions Limited in its pursuit of engineering excellence. As we close this landmark event, we now open a new chapter in the journey of Suntec Infra Engineers Limited, a future built on innovation, energy efficiency and national service. To formally conclude today's ceremony, may I now invite Mr. Parveen Kumar Gupta, Whole-Time Director, Suntec Infra Solutions Limited, to deliver the vote of thanks. Let's make a round of applause as Mr. Gupta makes his way to the stage. Welcome, sir.
नमस्कार, मैं आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं और ये मेरी पहली स्पीच है लाइव की। आज गौरव ने मुझे इस मुकाम पे पहुंचाया है कि मैं स्पीच दे सकूं। मैं सनटेक इंफ्रा सॉल्यूशन लिमिटेड की तरफ से सभी मेहमानों का और मित्रों का और हमारे परिवार के सभी सदस्यों का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं। आज का दिन हमारे लिए एक बहुत ही खास और यादगार दिन है। आईपीओ की सफल लिस्टिंग के इस अवसर पर आप सबका मैं हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। हमारे लिए एक बड़ा सम्मान है। आप सबके आशीर्वाद और साथ के बिना ये सब मुमकिन नहीं था। बस यही दुआ करता हूं कि सनटेक हमेशा आप सबका नाम रोशन करता रहे और आप सबका साथ हमेशा बना रहे। धन्यवाद।
so much, Mr. Gupta, for inspiring words. Well, with this, we bring the curtain down on a day filled with pride, promise, and purpose. The story of Suntech Infra Solutions Limited continues with stronger foundations, renewed ambitions, and the collective strength of every individual who has walked this path with us. Thank you all once again, and we look forward to even a brighter future together. Please join us for breakfast, and let's make memories, capture moments, and celebrate this wonderful occasion. Here's to engineering excellence and a future full of light. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us today. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.